job! It's very easy to sing from 1 to 10, right? Then sing it loudly one more time.
1, 2, 3, splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, let's say out loud which number is flying.